Hey everyone, welcome to another Waifu Wednesday. This time around, we have the third ACG-SAC pack. Hopefully this is a good one. The first one or second one, I can't remember. There was one that was red. That was the first one, I think. And then the second one was black like this. It had a lot of Sakimichan art. Hopefully that follows suit with this one. I've been seeing a lot of her art in these cards everywhere. And now there's a lot of AI art cards that use her art as a base, I feel. So let's dive right in. And whoa, okay. Hopefully these have more than 2 cards or in the pack. So it's interesting that these don't have the 3 on them. So I'm wondering if these are just a continuation of those other cards. It has the ACG-SAC 003 on there. Let's dive in. Yep, it is that. At least you still get the 3 cards with the thicker card art. And we've got the sort of like signed variant, I think. Not sure what character this is. Okay. We've got the foil stamping, not the stamping, but the hollow foil. And again, there's not really anything on the back. Hopefully this is just a continuation of the series. We got pack number 2. So it looks like the signed card ones are like dual. So it looks like this is like Naruto. I always do like this art style. I know some of you don't really like the more CG rendered style. All right, pack 3. So at least it looks like you get one of these per box, and you got a diva. Is this High School DxD? I think. All right, pack 4. Doesn't feel like a lot of packs in here. I think it's that 30 card. Oh, I got a clear card hit. So that's cool. I'll peel that off in a second. And it looks like we got a dupe already? No. Nope, I don't think so. It just looks like it. Yeah, the clear cards are always fun. So looks like there's only the one. That's cool. All right, pack 5. Hopefully we get more than one in that box, but I think there's just the one per box. Looks like we got kind of a Miku card almost. Always a really nice art style. All right, pack 6. I only bought 1 a box of these. Usually I buy 2, but I'm really trying to cut down on how many boxes I buy, even though I bought 4 of 1 box the other day. Hopefully that's a good box, but we'll see. Here we go, we got Bowsette. Very cool. And a dupe, first dupe. All right, lucky 7. Oh, nice. This is like a Snow White one. It's fun. And a dupe of that, and a dupe of that. Almost a dupe pack. I hate that. All right, pack 8. Fun. I think I've gotten this one already in a different box. A dupe of that and a dupe of that. Yeah, lots of dupes already. Pack 9. Very annoying. Wow. Already another dupe. No, that's not a dupe. I think I've gotten this in another box though. Is this just the same cards, just different numbered box? That one's cool. And final pack, number 10. So yeah, it looks like you only get the one clear card per box. Oh, nice, Sailor Moon. Characters, at least. And a Princess Zelda. Or Peach, I mean. Or mixed. Is it like Princess Zelda Peach? The umbrella. And the final card, a PS5 card, which I swear I've gotten before. Not really sure if this is just dupe cards. I don't know. So yeah, that was the ACG-SAC box. Man, what was my favorite? That one's pretty good. Yeah, again, pretty good art. Lots of dupes, unfortunately. In a box of only 30 cards, you really shouldn't get any dupes. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.